Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to be back. Y'all know I don't come back unless I got some deals for y'all. I have an amazing bag to show y'all. So if you want to see this video, please stay tuned. All right, y'all. So this video is in collaboration with Fashion Plug. I will have all the links and all the socials and everything linked down below. But I got this super cute bag. Let me show y'all. So this is how the bag came packaged. And this is a dupe or inspired or whatever, but it's a replica. And you know, I am a diva on a budget. I don't like spending a lot of coin on something that, like, for a name or anything like that. But I guarantee you this bag is great quality. Look at that. So let's open it up here. That's Rue. Say hey, Rue. She wants to be in the video. All right, so let's open this up. So, when you open it up, we have tissue paper. We also have the bag here. We have a bigger bag as well. And then look what we got, y'all. So I got a bag and I also got a wallet. So let's see the wallet first. All right, so the wallet came in this packaging, and then we're gonna open it up here. It's kind of hard to open. Look at that, and it has a little dust bag there. So cute. So let's take it out, and then in here you see there's a little baggie of all the like little booklet and all the paperwork and all that stuff like that. So let's take it out of here. Oh my goodness. I am so excited because I have been obsessed with this print. Look at this. Oh, it looks so good. And it's a good zipper too, y'all. You hear that? It's a good zipper. And it has like the plastic around the hardware to keep it all nice and not scratched up. And then you open it here, and then there's like a little paper inside. They have a little pouch here to keep your coins, and then take that out. But look at this. It is so roomy. Oh, it's so cute. And it doesn't have a bad smell. It doesn't smell like leather, but it smells like, you know, that faux leather smell. Love it. Love it. Oh, and the zipper is so good, y'all. Okay, now let's get into the actual handbag. I'm so excited. Okay, so it came in this plastic here. So let's take the plastic off. Okay, and it has a dust bag here. So let's take it out of the dust bag. Oh my gosh. Look at this beautiful bag, y'all. I love how it has like the velvet monogram on the side. Super cute. Super cute. Okay. Super cute. And then on this side, it has like the styrofoam covering up the logo here. Really adorable. It has like all the stuff that you would need to get. So I'm gonna go ahead and take off all of the stuff, you know, all the stuff, and then I'm gonna show you the bag. Yo, this comes wrapped, yo. Stuffing to keep the bag shape. I was gonna do this off camera. I'm gonna do it on the camera. I like the stuffing to keep the shape of the bag. It also has the little loops or hoops here for the strap. This is the inside of the bag. This one also comes with the little pamphlet and all that stuff too. I like that it clamps closed, so you can close it and then turn the little lock there, and there you go. Super cute. I love this bag. It is perfect for the fall. Look at the bottom. It has the feet, and then it comes with the feet covered as well. But I have been on the lookout for a nice quality, good bag for the fall, and this is gonna be my fall bag. It's heavy duty. All the hardware looks like great quality. Like y'all, this is amazing. Links are down below in the description. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Also, if you want to keep up as to what I have been doing, y'all know I'm singing again. Today, this time last week, or this day last week, I made my solo debut. So if you want to see pictures and stuff like that, and videos and all that, go on to my Instagram or my Facebook and things like that. I'm trying to figure out how I can translate all of that onto YouTube. I haven't figured it out yet. But yeah, y'all, so thank you for all your support, and all y'all that are already following me on Instagram. I love you guys. Thank you so much for your support. And y'all, this bag is for a baddie on a budget. Like, this is absolutely stunning. I love this bag, y'all. Take a look at everything down in the description box, and I will see y'all soon. Love y'all. Bye.